Hello there, my friend. So I am going to return this AZDOME PG-17 dash cam because of a couple things. One, whenever I say something that's even remotely close to the word picture, it like takes a picture. So picture, see, just took a picture. But if I say something like creature, itcher, it'll sometimes like, or a song lyric will set it off sometimes. The other thing is, on other AZ domes I've had, I could just touch the screen and move the camera up and down. But here, you can only move by pressing these arrows, and then it only moves to like 4, 5, 6, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different positions, which is a lot, but like sometimes I just want to do this and like, you know, whoa, those lights are bright. And this Hyundai's got some seriously bright lights. But like, yeah, and then sometimes I'll say something and then it'll switch like the view as well. So that's not cool. Also, you can see the backup camera is a little bit grainy, but for whatever reason, it doesn't keep time properly. So I know that my outlet goes off, when the car goes off, but there should be a battery in here that keeps the time at least, and it's not doing that either. So yeah, I'm sorry to say that this one's going to go back, because the other features on it are pretty nice. You can see the forward camera is like really nice, and it's clear. So I'll definitely try to get a 4K or an 8K camera, but I want something that's a little bit smoother. So I hope you guys like the video and it helps somebody out there. It's not a terrible camera. It's just, it doesn't have exactly what I want it to do for 150 bucks. And I think actually regular price, it's almost 200. So have a great day out there. Thanks for subscribing. And now I have a Patreon. I'll see you guys on the next one, and have a great day. Thanks. And yes, I'm running 2 dash cams. This is a free XAR, so you can watch those videos as well. Have a great day, guys. Take care.